I'm Louis Savale, Public Information Manager for the Walton County BCC. I'm here with the July 27th regular BCC meeting update. The BCC continues to work towards the implementation of additional public works projects throughout the county to improve traffic, stormwater, and parking. During the meeting, the BCC approved to move forward with signing a contract with RBM Consulting for the Lakewood Drive Drainage and Pedestrian Improvement Project. This project is going to include about half a mile of concrete sidewalk from the TDC parking lot to County Road 30A. It'll also include some road repaving, reconstruction of the curb and gutter, and the installation of some crosswalks. The county also approved to move forward with engineering services for several products. The Deer Lake Bridge design with also two intersection projects at County Road 283 and County Road 83 where they intersect with Highway 30A. These were signed with Half & Associates, and the services will include traffic data counts, traffic analysis, as well as recommendations on how to improve traffic flow within those areas. Half & Associates has also been tasked with designing southbound right turn lane at Goldsby Road and US Highway 98. That will be for a future construction project in that area. Dewberry has been tasked with working on some signal and crosswalk improvements at the intersection of County Road 395 and US Highway 98. The county also continues to move forward with the process of purchasing land in strategic areas that will benefit the county and the community. One of the purchases that they decided to move forward with is a small parcel located in Defuniak Springs by the courthouse, the admin office, and that current government complex. This purchase is going to be about $30,000 and will allow the county to move forward as we continue to grow and have needs in that area for additional space. Regarding beach access and parking, the BCC approved to move forward with a contract to be drawn up on a parcel that's 4.9 acres or so, give or take, near the intersection of Highway 98 and Ellis Road in Miramar Beach. The contract, while not really putting any money, allows the county to move forward with doing inspection on the property, environmental, but not spending any funds at this time. They will have the ability to get out of this if it is determined that this property is not going to meet their expectations. They're also looking at the cost. Right now the asking price is $5.975 million. They're going to continue to work on that price. Look at the appraisals that they've received, and then if they'd like to move forward, they can move forward with an offer at a later time. The property is located north of our current Miramar Beach regional access and could offer some good opportunities for increased parking and beach access in that area. There's also some other property that the county decided to move forward with. Several meetings ago, the county purchased a large parcel just south of Chat Holly. There are now 3 other properties in that area that could connect to that property that has been purchased. The plans for that area are going to be the development of a regional stormwater facility, as well as putting some areas within conservation and some potential recreational projects in that area that would invite the public into that area. The prices that are offered, or the cost for these, came in above the actual appraisals that the county received. So the board moved forward with, offering what those appraisals were to those property owners. So we will continue to work with those property owners on that project. Again, we continue to work on recreation in the area. The biggest thing that was done at this meeting was the approval for the installation of pickleball courts, as well as lighting for those courts in the South Walton Sports Complex. That complex is the largest complex that the county owns as far as recreation south of the bay. And it's a new offering within that park that currently includes a lot of other things, including baseball, multi-use fields, playgrounds, those types of things. This increases our recreational opportunities in that area within South Walton and will give something new that we don't currently have in that area. The project was awarded to Premier Surface Solutions. Once they receive the notice to proceed, they will have about 150 days to complete that project. And finally, as everybody's been following, the board approved basically part of a policy that will allow for the reinstatement of Zoom to be used during the public during BCC and county meetings. As part of the process, those that wish to participate will be required to pre-register no later than 24 hours prior than the meeting. During that pre-registration, applicants will have to enter their name, who they are, as well as state which items that they want to speak on that agenda. They will be limited to 5 items on that agenda, and they will also be able to participate in the public comment section at the end. Also, the Zoom participants must have their video on. We will not be moving forward with audio-only telephone access within the Zoom tool. County staff is beginning the development of that registration process with the plan to have it in place prior to the August 10th meeting. In the event that that is not completed or that is not working for registration, during that meeting, the board will move forward with the Zoom as they did in the past prior to these kind of new things being implemented. That's your update for the July 27th regular meeting of the Board of County Commissioners. We appreciate you joining us. We appreciate those who can attend in person. And remember, you can find all archived meeting videos, agendas, minutes, our live streams that will be coming up by visiting the county's meeting portal at walton.civicweb.net, or you can access the video meeting button on the county's homepage at www.co.walton.fl.us. Thanks for watching, and we'll have another update after the August 10th meeting.